He's hiding out. Hiding out, huh? Resting. He's been a little bullied today by his fiance. Oh, yeah. He hasn't rested like this since I brought Phoenix home. Yeah. That's you. The birdie's you. Yeah, you're ready for a rest from her. She's been guarding everything. Treats, seeds, food, water, and everything we do. How do you tolerate her? Huh? How do you tolerate her? Are you my baby? My baby, huh? This is my funky mode. That's okay. It's a beautiful mode. It's a beautiful birdie. You're my beautiful birdie. You're my baby. Yeah, my baby bird. My baby bird. I'm a little sanctuary, huh? It's a rest time. You're missing 3, 4 more feathers. They chopped you. This way. They're just resting. Just resting. My baby bird. Am I your sanctuary today? You're my baby bird, huh? Baby bird. Big bird. The big bird. Phoenix is a big bird. We haven't had any talks like fireside talks like this in a while, have we? You my baby bird? I love you. Yeah. I just love you. Yeah, you're a pretty boy. Pretty boy. A pretty, pretty boy. Pretty, pretty boy. Baby, baby boo. My baby boo. My baby, baby bird. You're my Budgie, Budgie bird. My Budgie, Budgie bird, huh? Do 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 do. That side's full. Can I see your other wings? Is your other side? You know there's a birdie in there. And that's you. It's a beautiful boy. Baby boy.